Hi, I'm Mr. Farnsworth,
And I'm Mrs. Weatherford.
and we teach Vista Ridge Theater Department. Mr. Farnsworth is in charge of Theater 1, 2, and production.
And I am in charge of sixth grade theater production, and the news crew here at Vista Ridge.
All right, so the first thing we want to let you know is that throughout the school year, we give all students, whether they're in the theater class or not, performance opportunities with us. We do a fall musical that is all grades. We do a 7th and 8th grade UIL one-act play competition. And then at the end of the year, we do an all-school spring show.
So, starting with sixth grade, we do have a sixth grade theater class. This is a general theater class if you choose theater as one of your electives. We also have a sixth grade theater productions class, and this is an audition required class. In this class, we'll go into a little bit more performance-based activities. We'll dive in a little bit more into tech theater. And then we have our news team, which is also requires an audition. This is for all grades though. So whether you're in 6th, 7th, or 8th grade and you want to be a part of the news team, it requires an audition, which we will announce later in the year. And in this class, we work on the video announcements for the entire school.
For 7th grade, the only theater class that's available is a Theater 1 class. It's the base class. It will be a mix of 7th and 8th graders, and we will go over what they will learn here in a minute. As an 8th grader, if you've taken Theater 1, you have the option of 2 classes. You can move up one level and take Theater 2. Or if you're more interested in more advanced skills, you can audition for the theater production class.
Okay, starting with 6th grade classes. In our 6th grade theater classes, 6th grade theater and theater production, we work on improvisation, we do some acting games, we read scripts. We also have a technical theater unit, so you can learn about lights and sound and set design and costume design. And we do a film and TV unit, which you get to go ahead and write your own script and film your own movie. So that's a lot of fun. And then we also work on monologues and scenes. For our 6th grade theater production class, like I said earlier, this is an audition only class. What will happen is I will get in touch with your elementary school theater teachers, and we will set a time for me to come to your school to audition you if you're interested in that class.
All right. And then here's some pictures. Okay, so Theater 1 is a 7th and 8th grade class. It'll have a mix of 7th and 8th graders. It is a performance-based class. So students who want to take this class do need to be aware that they will be required to perform, and that any performances we do are generally the equivalent of a test grade for another class. And so if they opt not to perform, that can highly hurt their grade. Okay, we do individual and group performances. There is a technical theater design where we prepare for a contest that they would do when they take Theater 2 or production. We do monologues and scene writings. We do a musical theater unit where they have to learn a small dance number. We do character development. We do a fun, about month-long theater history project where the students get to teach the class. And we do the Improv Olympics, where students will get taught different improv games, and then we will get together with all the other middle schools. And then students who want to participate in the Improv Olympics will give a giant performance with the other middle schools. And the Improv Olympics is available for Theater 1, Theater 2, or Theater Production, but it's all 7th and 8th grade. Theater 2 has a prerequisite. You must take Theater 1. It is a performance-based class, and Theater 2 gets a little bit more in depth with their acting skills. We will still have individual and group performances. They participate in the Keller ISD Middle School Design Contest, where we all read a play, and they have to come up with concepts and costume designs and marketing designs for that play, as well as they'll learn advanced acting techniques and do advanced technical design projects. Theater production is another 8th grade class. It does have an audition that is required to be part of it, and the prerequisite for it is Theater 1. We announced the audition towards the end of the year, so any students that took Theater 1 that are, any 7th graders that took Theater 1 that are interested in theater production are welcome to come. It is, again, a performance-based class where we do individual and group performances. They also participate in the Keller ISD Middle School Design Contest. They'll learn advanced acting techniques, as well as produce an in-class play and write and produce their own 10-minute play. If you have any questions about 6th grade theater or 6th grade production or news crew, you can email Ms. Weatherford at caitlin.johnson@kellerisd.net, or you can email Mr. Farnsworth if you have questions about Theater 1, Theater 2, or theater production. And we invite you to follow us on our following social media pages: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, for any information about what we're doing in class or upcoming productions. Thanks.
Bye.